Welcome to our tutorial on how to edit your circle feature on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To begin, click on the compose icon and select everyone to choose your audience for the tweet. Next to the Twitter circle option, click on Edit to customize your circle settings. You can now search for and either add or remove people from your Twitter circle. Click on Done in the top right corner when you have made your selections. Returning to the compose tweet screen, you will notice that your audience is now set to Twitter Circle. Craft your tweet and hit send. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your Twitter Circle feature to engage with specific groups of people on the platform. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in explaining how to edit your circle feature on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your tweeting experience by utilizing the circle feature to interact with selected audiences, creating more targeted and personalized interactions on Twitter. Enjoy connecting with your chosen circle of followers on Twitter.